This video will show you how to install a ClearJet Wiper Blade with the AQB-A adapter. At DENSO, we offer a wiper blade with an innovative integrated fluid delivery system designed to improve visibility and enhance safety.
Under all driving conditions, the fluid is evenly spread over the windscreen. This does not only enhance safety, but it also makes sure that the washing fluid consumption is reduced with 50%. The rubber compound also makes sure that you have a clean and streak-free operation under all circumstances. Let me show you how to install this wiper blade with AQB-A adapter.
First, lift the arms off the windshield to its highest point. Some cars' wipers need to be moved to the service position or to 12 o'clock. Then, clean the windshield of the car. Make sure that the new wiper blades are the correct ones. Once the old ones are removed, it can be difficult to fit them back onto the wiper arms. You then remove the old wiper blades and gently place the arms back into position. Do not allow the arms to stand on their own or hit the windshield. Take the new ClearJet wiper blades equipped with the AQB-A adapter. Lift the arm again. Slide the blade onto the mount until it locks securely into place. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Never let the arm snap back on its own. Check the installation by activating the washer function. You have now successfully installed the DENSO ClearJet wiper blades equipped with the AQB-A adapter. For more information on installation methods and our full range of wiper blades, please refer to the DENSO website.